This is Pop Century, and there's my bags. There's a little refrigerator right here, and this room has all kinds of USB ports. There's like 10 or something like that, but here's a couple, and here's my bed, and this is a Murphy bed. Of course, I didn't need it, but you pull it down just like this, and the room converts into two, I guess they're full-size beds, but if you don't need two full-size beds, just leave it up and it goes up just as easy as it came down, just like this. And it has a table, and you have a couple of chairs. There's one chair right here and another right here, and so you have some place to eat. So has drawers right here, and then a little cabinet with the safe right here, and then you have the connecting doors if you have a family that you need two rooms. And again, see right here you have two plugs and two USB outlets here, and over here along the TV you have USB outlets over here, over on this side, and then over on this side of the bed you have a couple of USB outlets over here. So and this is the bathroom, and the bathroom separates off by the sliding door here, and then so there's not a whole lot of, there's no doors or anything like that, opening and shutting, you just slide them, and you have hangers up here and a little storage space down here, and then this is extra hanging space, and then you have the ironing board, and up here you have the iron and the hair dryer. Of course, I did not need that. And then nice big sink, and then you have the makeup mirror here. And then this is the bathroom. The bathroom separates off too by the sliding doors with the mirror. And so, just a basic bathroom. You have, some of the rooms have step-in showers. This one has an actual tub, and then it's got the nice rain shower and the handheld. And then you have Disney has in all the rooms now these body wash, the shampoo and conditioners right here. So they don't give you the bottles now. They do a lot of conserving that way now, so they do that. So that is my room here at Pop Century. I'll step outside. I did not pay for oh, wait a minute, two more USB outlets here, but I didn't pay for a room with a view. That's unlocked. And so this is what I have. I have trees and a parking lot over there, which is just fine because I really wasn't here that long anyway, that much at the room. I was out having fun. So, and you can see the theming here. There's the bowling pin stairwells, and then you have the transistor radios and the records. So this is the 50s section, and it's really, really hot and humid out here, and it is still morning. So anyway, let me come back in here.